Here's how I make a full AI music video using one character sheet, one storyboard, Google Flow, and CapCut. Step 1. First, I create the character sheet. This is the most important part because the character sheet keeps the artist consistent. I need the face, outfit, hairstyle, jewelry, body style, and overall vibe locked in before I start making the video. Without the character sheet, every scene can start looking like a different person. Step 2. Next, I create the storyboard. The storyboard gives me the full visual plan for the video. I usually break it into rows, so each row becomes one short animated video. That way, I'm not trying to animate the whole thing at once. I can control the shots better, keep the character more consistent, and make the final video feel like it has real scene changes. Step 3. After that, I write the animation prompts. I write one prompt for the character sheet so the AI knows who the artist is. Then I write a separate prompt for each storyboard row. Each row prompt explains the camera movement, the emotion, the performance, the location, the outfit, and how the transition should move from one scene to the next. Step 4. Then I send the character sheet, storyboard, and prompts into Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, I animate each storyboard row one at a time. So row 1 becomes video 1. Row 2 becomes video 2. Row 3 becomes video 3. This gives me 3 separate animated clips that all connect together. Step 5. Once the clips are finished, I bring them into CapCut. I place each video on the timeline in order. Then I stitch them together so it feels like one complete music video. Step 6. After that, I add the music. I line the visuals up with the beat, the hook, or the part of the song I want to promote. Then I adjust the timing so the scene changes hit with the rhythm. Step 7. Next, I add on-screen captions. Captions are important because most people are watching on their phone, and sometimes they don't even have the sound on at first. The captions help them catch the message fast. Step 8. Then I do one final pass. I check the timing. I check the captions. I check the transitions. I make sure the video feels smooth from beginning to end, and then, voila, the video is done. If you would like a visual for your video done, comment video, and I'll send you the link to get started.
Run with endurance, run with endurance. Eyes on the promise, eyes on the promise. I won't look back now, I won't look back now. God started it, God will finish it now. Run with endurance, run with endurance. I keep on moving, I keep on moving. Eyes on Jesus, eyes on Jesus. He who began it will carry me through it. I leave the old dust on the road behind. No more dragging my doubt to the starting line. When my legs shake, I still leaning. Weakness beats power, where's grace begins. Set my pace by the word I trust, not by the fear, not by the rush. If I stumble